Hello, Mike Kellam here from Gananoque Chev. We hope everyone's staying safe during these challenging times. We want you to know our service department continues to be open. However, we've made several changes to ensure the safety of our staff and customers. Call us or book an appointment online. Our staff will come to you free of charge for a pickup and delivery at your home or work. When our drivers arrive, they come with a cleaning kit for disinfecting your vehicle. They disinfect all touch points on the way in, as well as when they drop it off. Whether you have or you don't have an appointment, when you get to our dealership, you can check in your vehicle with our self-serve kiosk. The kiosk provides a completely contactless experience, allows you to drop off your vehicle keys, even record a message to our advisors for when they pick up your vehicle keys, just to make sure that they understand exactly what the problem might be with the car. Plus, when your vehicle's done, the kiosk will send you a text message, letting you know it's time to come and retrieve your keys, or you can pay right here, or request an online payment link and pay on your phone before you arrive. Plus, you can also still drop your vehicle off at the front door of our dealership. We have a staff member appointed who will be here to greet you, as well as help take your keys, disinfect them, and get you all set for your service appointment. And when your vehicle's done, you can pick up and pay right here. We've made several additions to our daily cleaning schedule here at the dealership. We've also added touchpoint sanitation of every vehicle when it arrives at the dealership, and again before you pick up. We've also started a quick, easy online payment option that allows you to send us a text message or email with your invoice linked to it. This ensures that your experiences with us is contactless. Even though we have made these changes to protect the health and well-being of our staff and employees, our customer service level has not wavered, and we will continue to provide the best customer experience in the area.